So, thank you, Mr. Tyler. What made you want to have the work done with the Conservatory Insulation Specialists?
When we moved in November last year, and immediately noticed that it was very cold in here at night with a lot of condensation.
Mm-hmm.
So we definitely needed the roof insulated to make it warm enough for the dogs to live out here, because we've got 4 dogs. They put a wooden frame on the inside of the existing polycarbonate roofing, and the various layers of insulation, and then this cladding, which looks very nice. Really good when they did the work, because I asked them if they could put some wooden fixings up there in the top of the roof so that we could put these pendant lights in, which is what they did. There was no trouble for them whatsoever, so
great.
That was good.
And what did you think of our fitters as well?
They were very neat and tidy, very efficient, worked very hard, good guys, yeah.
Brilliant. And are you pleased with the final result?
Oh, absolutely. It's although we've got a small heater in here with a thermostat, it's never got below 14 degrees all the way through the winter, and the heating very rarely comes on. It's made a huge difference. It's stopped the condensation, and it's still very light, as you can see from all the plants that we've got in here. Yeah. My partner, she's mad about her plants.
And would you recommend us to a friend?
I certainly would. Yeah. So they've been very good indeed.
Brilliant. And did our team tell you about the Harrods hampers that you can receive for recommending us?
They did.
Good. Lovely. Thank you very much, and enjoy the rest of your afternoon.
Fine. Thank you.